In the world of reality television, few stories are as inspiring and transformative as that of Amy Slayton, the beloved star of 1000 LB Sisters. Over the years, fans have followed Amy's journey through weight loss, health struggles, and personal growth. Now, in an exciting and deeply personal revelation, Amy is opening up about a new chapter in her life, one that not only embraces her transformed identity but also shines a bright light on her relationship with fiancé Brian. For years, Amy Slayton has been a figure of both admiration and empathy. Viewers witnessed her raw honesty, her unwavering dedication to improving her health, and her heartfelt connection with her family. Yet, behind the cameras, Amy was quietly navigating the complexities of self-discovery and personal reinvention. Today, she stands not just as a reality star but as a woman embracing her authentic self in every aspect of her life. Amy's journey to her new identity has been anything but linear. While the television show chronicled her weight loss and the challenges that came with it, few realized the emotional and psychological transformations happening simultaneously. It's not just about the number on the scale, Amy explained in an exclusive interview. It's about understanding who I am, what I want, and how I want to live my life. This realization has led her to redefine not only her physical health but her mental and emotional well-being. Central to this new chapter is Amy's relationship with Brian, her longtime partner and support system. Fans have watched their bond grow, but recent developments mark a significant evolution in their story. Amy revealed that she and Brian are planning to take their relationship to new heights, embracing commitments that reflect both love and mutual growth. Brian has always been my rock, Amy shared. He's been there through every surgery, every milestone, every challenge. I want our future to reflect everything we've been through together. Amy's announcement has sparked an outpouring of support from fans and followers who have celebrated her bravery in embracing change. Social media platforms lit up with messages congratulating her, with many noting the power of authenticity and vulnerability in her journey. One fan wrote, "Amy is showing us all that transformation is more than skin deep. It's about embracing yourself in your life with courage and love." The evolution of Amy's identity is not only personal but also symbolic. In a society often focused on appearance and external validation, Amy's story challenges traditional narratives. She has transformed her approach to health and self-perception, learning to celebrate progress over perfection and to embrace her worth independently of societal expectations. "I'm learning to love myself every single day," Amy explained. "And that love influences every part of my life, including my relationship with Brian." Fans who have followed Amy's journey know that relationships have not always been straightforward. The spotlight of reality television brings its own pressures, and Amy has navigated public scrutiny alongside personal growth. Yet, she emphasizes that her connection with Brian has remained steadfast. "We've had our ups and downs, but love isn't about being perfect, it's about being real," she said. This authenticity resonates deeply with viewers who have cheered for Amy throughout her weight loss journey and beyond. The big news about Amy and Brian goes beyond a simple announcement. It is a reflection of their shared commitment to a life filled with mutual respect, joy, and partnership. While Amy remained coy about the exact details, she hinted at exciting developments that fans can look forward to. "We're building something meaningful together," she said. "And it's just the beginning of a beautiful chapter." Amy's new identity extends beyond her personal life. She is actively engaging with her audience in ways that promote positivity, mental wellness, and self-acceptance. Through social media, interviews, and public appearances, she shares insights and advice that go beyond superficial narratives. Her platform has become a space where fans feel encouraged to embrace their own journeys, celebrate victories, and face challenges with resilience. Brian's role in Amy's transformation cannot be understated. Known for his steadfast support, humor, and unwavering presence, he has been a grounding force in her life. Amy credits him with helping her maintain perspective, reminding her of her worth, and celebrating every step of progress. Their partnership exemplifies the idea that love, at its best, nurtures growth rather than stifles it. The couple's journey also highlights the importance of communication, patience, and shared goals. Amy and Brian have navigated decisions about family, lifestyle, and public exposure, often under scrutiny of millions of viewers. Yet, their commitment to honesty and openness has strengthened their bond. Amy emphasized that every decision they make together is rooted in mutual understanding and shared vision. As fans celebrate this exciting new phase of Amy's life, there is also a broader conversation taking place about identity, self-love, and the transformative power of personal growth. Amy's story challenges preconceived notions of beauty, success, and happiness, demonstrating that the journey to self-discovery is ongoing and deeply personal. By embracing her new identity, Amy inspires others to consider their own paths and to recognize the power of authenticity. The impact of Amy's revelation extends beyond her personal life and relationship. It reflects a cultural shift in how we perceive reality television stars, weight loss journeys, and the pursuit of happiness. Amy has moved from being defined solely by her weight to being recognized for her resilience, courage, and authenticity. Her willingness to share her life openly has provided fans with a source of inspiration, motivation, and hope. In the coming months, Amy and Brian are expected to share more details about their future together, including plans that reflect their shared vision and personal values. Fans are eagerly anticipating glimpses of their evolving life, from home projects and family milestones to adventures that celebrate love and commitment. Every announcement is met with excitement, reflecting the deep connection viewers feel with Amy and her journey. Ultimately, Amy Slayton's story is one of empowerment. By embracing her new identity and sharing big news about her relationship with Brian, she demonstrates that personal growth and love are intertwined. Her journey reminds fans that transformation is not merely physical but encompasses emotional, mental, and relational dimensions. It is a testament to the power of self-discovery, resilience, and the unwavering pursuit of authenticity. Amy's message to her followers is simple yet profound. Embrace change, honor your journey, and cherish the relationships that uplift you. Life is too short to live in the shadows of doubt or fear, she said. If you have someone who supports and loves you, hold on to that, and never stop working toward the best version of yourself. As Amy Slayton steps boldly into this new chapter, the world watches with admiration and excitement. Her journey continues to captivate audiences, not because of sensationalism or drama, but because of her courage, honesty, and humanity. With Brian by her side and a renewed sense of self, Amy exemplifies the transformative power of love, identity, and authenticity, a story that will inspire and resonate for years to come. For fans of 1000 LB Sisters, Amy's revelations are more than headlines. They are a celebration of resilience, growth, and the human spirit. As she embraces her new identity and looks forward to a bright future with Brian, Amy Slayton reminds us all that life's most profound transformations come from within, fueled by love, self-acceptance, and the courage to embrace who we truly are. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.